the next topic is multiplication of the decimal numbers. The first is multiplication of any decimal number by a whole number, as the number is 43.8 multiply by 23. So we will simply multiply 438 by 23 and we will write here in the bracket one digit after the decimal. That will make our sum easy. Now we will do the multiplication 438 by 23 in a vertical way. We will show the sum here. 3 8 is 24, 2 carry, 3 3 is the 9 and 2 11, 1 carry, 3 4 is the 12 and 1 13. Now multiplication by 2, 2 8 is 16, 1 carry, 2 3 is 6 and 1 7, 2 4 is 8. Now addition. We have got 10,074. Now we have to put the decimal in the answer. There is one digit after the decimal, so in the answer of multiplication sum also we can put the decimal before the one digit. There should be only one digit after the decimal. Now multiplication of a decimal number by a decimal number, as 3.23 multiply 0.18. First of all, count the number of digits after the decimal. 2 digits here, 2 digits here. That means total 4 digits are there. Write them in the bracket for your safety. Now, while doing the multiplication, we will do 323 multiply by 18. There is no need to put the decimal here in the multiplication sum if you are writing here the number of digits, total number of digits after the decimal. Again here we will do the multiplication sum. 8 3 is a 24, 2 carry, 8 2 is a 16 and 2 18, 1 carry, 8 3 is a 24 and 1 25. 1 3 is 1 2 is 1 3 is. Now addition. It is 5,814. That number is without decimal, but before writing the answer we have to put the decimal. There are 4 digits total in the question. So in the answer we will count 4 digits from the right end. 1 2 3 4. We can write it like that. 0.5814 is our answer. The next part is multiplication of a decimal number by 10, by 100, by 1000, as 38.7 multiply by 10. Here there is no need to do the multiplication sum. We can do it directly. As multiplication by 10, there is one digit, 10 in 10, and there is one digit after the decimal. We will shift the decimal to the right side and the number will become 387. 1.43 multiply by 10. Same here, there is 10 in 10. Decimal will shift only by one digit to the right side and it will become 14.3. In the question, in the sum, it was decimal before the 4. Now in the answer it will go after 4 because the decimal has shifted by one digit. Then by 100, 38.3 multiply by 100. There are 2 zeros in 100, but there is only one digit in one digit after the decimal. We will put one more zero after the decimal and now we will shift the decimal to the right side by 2 digits. This way decimal will go in the last. It will become 3,830. 61.13 multiply by 100. There are 2 zeros in 100. There are 2 digits after the decimal in this number. Decimal will shift 2 digits to the right and it will go in the last. It will become 6,113 by 1000. 71.5 multiply by 1000. Now there are 3 zeros in 1000, but there is only one digit after the decimal. We will put 2 more zeros. Now there are 3 digits. Decimal will shift to the right side and it will become 71,500 and decimal will go in the last. It is not necessary that you will put decimal in the last. If you don't put decimal, then also it is correct, 71,500. The next is